Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw pumpkins, not this one, but these, which are much more interesting. So let's start by drawing any shape you want, really. This one happens to be an oval, and I'm using actually this happens to be a hospital marker, and an ultra point Sharpie to draw the eyes. Now you can vary these quite a bit depending on what you want. You can place the eyes wherever. In this case, I'm drawing a typical area, and notice that I used my thicker marker just for the eyebrows. And you can really vary their emotions, the feelings, just by the eyebrows alone. So we're gonna keep our pumpkins fairly consistent with how we draw the eyes as far as the radial lines on the iris. And we're gonna keep these pumpkins kind of happy. So just vary these quite a bit. The tongue itself, you can skip, you could add teeth, lower teeth if you'd like. And of course we have to add these lines which show that it's a pumpkin. Now sometimes I will vary the outer outline just to indicate there is some surface variation. And here I'm just touching up my lines a little bit more. Feel free to pause the video and follow along. So here we go, we're gonna draw another pumpkin, and we're basically gonna do the same thing as we did, same general ideas, and we're gonna vary those features as I mentioned. This pumpkin is a little bit shorter. The eyes themselves are rounder. And I'm gonna keep the mouth closed. Just a little grin on his face. And this lower line below the mouth really demarcates the lower lip. Notice that I always, generally, put a shadow underneath the pumpkin or other objects that I happen to be drawing, just so it doesn't look like it's just floating on the page. It grounds the pumpkins. So here I'm doing something a little bit different in that I'm drawing it from a 3/4 view. So the pupil and iris are going to be off to the side, so it looks like he's looking right at us. So notice that the eyes are oval as opposed to being round, and that the farther eye is a little bit smaller just because it's a little bit farther. Add some teeth here, but try this, but use your imagination and make your characters a little bit different with their own personalities. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.